Alright, so we're going back on Meloonatic Mountains. We're going to climb a crane today. Literally just on my own at me. I'm just about to meet up with Daniel. Wait. Recording. We're about to go straight up. Where's that? Oh yeah, I'll get this way actually. We need to get there, don't we? Oh shh. Is there a way down?
Trust me, this way. If you want, yeah.
That's horrible to get onto like that.
Watch me. Right, wait, let everyone get down. Right, watch me. See these metal plates?
This wall's dodgy.
Oh yeah.
Right. Yeah, got it. Oh, slope. This is right, dodgy. This. Oh shit, you're right. You're right. You're right. Oh man. What happened then? Yeah, watch out for them sensors. It's quite wet, isn't it?
How did you get from Santa Claus?
Hey?
How did you get from that?
Great.
Like, how do we go this way? Be careful.
Is it easy that way? How did you even get onto that?
Climb on the outside.
Oh, I'm shit at getting through these. That is a thin one. Not looking forward to getting down. Alright. Oh my god, the anti-climb was difficult.
It's ready, look.
Oh, that anti-climb, that were all. Alright,
Disgusting, isn't it?
yeah. Oh shit, yeah. I'm not looking forward to getting down through the anti-climb though.
Me neither.
Nice. Yeah, man. We're in a crane. We're in a crane. Any room for me?
Yeah, we'll make room.
It's like I'm saying here, isn't it?
We're all chilling up here now. We ain't much room, but we'll make room.
Nice one. Okay.
Right here, actually, yeah.
Aaron, I think I need your assistance.
You're fucking joking.
Still got camera problems over here. Could you just set it so I can get a good picture but quickly?
Nice one.
Yeah, there's no, are you like in manual or
You want a
not?
good picture quickly? Just say Aaron, take me a picture on your camera.
I just want to get like pictures of like sky and all that, but like with like 1-2 second shutter speed.
We get asked to use it, Daniel, that's my
So do
problem.
I.
Oh, you're at 1 fucking 4,000th. No wonder it's not fucking... Here, stick the lens cap in your pocket. I'll lose it.
Can I chuck it off?
If you want.
If you don't want to see it again.
Yeah, I don't want to climb that jib today. But
It's slippy, even I'm...
I've still never climbed one, mate.
I
I've walked
haven't.
across like straight ones, but I've never
Yeah.
climbed one like that.
yeah, I am.
Tres bien.
I don't know what I'm doing. I feel cool.
Stay there, look.
Don't want to drop my GoPro. Bit in my hand.
I'm going to try.
It's a bit greasy.
Hey? No, they're alright actually. So jib, but I know my feet are slipping on this now, mine.
Exactly. I thought that I started climbing like scaffolding ditch, you know, from
Yeah.
wet ladder wheel at the start. And that was slippery.
Yeah, I got a ladder a minute. See if you can get on. You can get round.
So, you got me jumping there, yeah?
Oh, no, just go here if you want. If you swap with me, I'll get him some pictures.
Not even fast,
Nice one.
Yeah.
Nice one. I want to get down.
Yeah, as long as I'm sort of this way.
Your camera's fucking great, compared to
I know, tell me about it, I didn't realise. Until I picked another one up.
I'm gonna get past in this anti-climber.
Yeah, yeah, same. I'm dreading that. Dreading that. Yeah, same I did. It's horrible. It had to go your way and end. I couldn't fit through to the side.
We'll wait quietly at what, but we're at 6 cents.
Yeah, we'll just keep quiet and wait.
This is actually horrible.
I know it.
You've got a tip right. Stand with your back here.
Yeah.
Your left foot on here. And like walk backwards down this.
Yeah, mate.
Right, so basically what you want to do.
You got it?
Back towards here.
Yeah.
Just stand, put your left leg on here. Yeah, and pretend you're walking down, but get this leg down. No, don't crouch down.
What do I do? Is this
start-
alright?
Yeah, start walking down.
Yeah, you grab that a sec. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Just make sure you got hold of it. You're going to have to force yourself. It's lifting my trunk up all the way.
Oh, it weren't that bad actually.
Pass your phone in a minute.
Nice one.
Actually, can I pass it in now?
Yeah.
I don't want to drop it.
That's a right thin little hand to climb that though, that one, isn't it? Usually thicker than that. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, we'll just stay quiet down there.
Yeah. Just keep hidden. I think security's going to jump out of a door or something like when we get over this.
These ones are
I don't know, but I think we've kept hearing a door open. I think security's going to run out of the door when we've got over this.
Yeah.
I've got a feeling something's going to happen.
Well, if we jump that way, we can just jump up one.
That's what I mean. I think we should go that way. There's a bit of door open over there.
I can't see any doors.
That's gonna let him in. You reckon that way? I just come this way.
Yeah, I can see there's no one here. I'm going this way, look.
Is anyone there? Nice one. Yeah, boy. Right, we're gonna Shalesmoor now. We're gonna climb that yellow crane down in Shalesmoor. See how we don't know if we can. We're gonna try it though. We're gonna have a look. Yeah. Try not to keep it too big.
I think we've been caught already, to be honest.
Watch them throw one into here. There's some idiot throwing fireworks around down there, just throwing one at us. We've all just gone running down the road after him. We've got to catch him. I do. It's easy, isn't it? Yeah, I'm on it. What is it there? Is that it? Is that there? Looks like he's got something in his hand and all. It looks like he's got something in his hand, so be careful. Yeah, definitely. They've gone past. That looks like a firework in his hand now. I don't know if it's a bottle or if it's a firework. I can't tell. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, let's check out.
Can't we get through?
Oh, after all that, isn't it way?
I'll just get it open.
Oh, nice one.
I might leave my bag on this bit.
Yeah, man. Straight ladders, these. Vertical ladders. Horrible. Nice. Or did you manage to get lock open?
What?
Or did you manage to get lock open?
Open.
Were it?
That's what it said, yeah.
Oh, mad. You going up? Is there another cabin? Mad. You don't like wobbles? Yeah, man. So, I'm up here, I'll explain a bit as well. Reco Ridgeway is getting demolished. This area is getting renovated right well. Oh, it's annoying. That's the surgical building. That's got renovated, that's getting renovated into student accommodations. That is. I'm getting down now. I'm done. That's enough for me this time. Oh, my GoPro died, so I've just had to replace the battery. Oh man, I got about halfway up the jib and I came down. They've gone to the top, they're all coming down now. That was my first jib, so I only went halfway. I could have gone further, but I just thought, stick to halfway for my first one. Plus it's a bit wet, so I thought, nah, I don't want to do it. You good?
Yeah.
I got halfway up and I came down. I could have probably done it.
That was honestly the best thing I've ever done.
Mad. Yeah, man.
It's the same kids down there just like fireworks.
I know it is, I just heard them shouting.
Did you
Idiots.
go, whoa? That's because
Yeah.
I thought that if they took someone up me, them, I'd probably fall.
That's another reason I came down.
This is a perfect opportunity.
I know it is.
There's no security out back waiting for us yet. They're up there. I'd rather you not do it.
That's what I mean.
Right,
I want to give it a go, but I don't know. At least I know now I can do it. Do you know what I mean? What do you mean? Shit. Oh.
Down! Security!
Where are they? I saw a room. thought he came running at me there. Are they still up top?
Your security's in there.
Oh shit. Did you get seen? Is that why?
Yeah.
Ah. Let's get on top at surgical, quick. They won't know we're up there. We can have a look what's going on. Ring Aaron. We got on top at surgical.
Don't discuss this. If you can get away, get away.
Yeah. Straight over that fence. Follow me up here. Hey. So, we've just seen security. They've come out. Me and Daniel have got away. We're hiding on this roof here. Aaron and JK Vids, Aaron and Jordan. Aaron and Jordan are still on the crane. Now we don't know how they're going to get down. They're coming down the jib now. They're coming down the jib now. That were right on that roof. Oh shit, they're throwing fireworks at roofs. This way. Get down quick. I know. I know, follow me. Follow me. This way. We can get in for that window. Fireworks as well. This way. It's like we're in an army then. Avoiding people throwing bombs.
We shouldn't have done it on Bonfire.
I know. Alright, there's someone walking there. I don't know who that is. I think they're almost down at you. Yeah, they're coming down now, they're at the top. That's Jordan there. Gone.
Time to turn torch off.
Yeah. Let's just check. Security's on the road. Oh, they're gonna jump right over where he is.
Oi, right, no, we need to get down the line.
Wait.
Come on, oi, hurry.
Wait, they're running. Wait, they've just gone up to him and spoke to him.
Oi, Harry, come on.
Go on.
Where's Lon?
Down there. I might just go a bit gate me downstairs.
We got on top of that factory